And hello there, Kamen Rider fans and folks. This is Mixerwars, and welcome to another episode of Mixerwars Unboxings. And here we have today is yet again another figurized standard Kamen Rider line from Bandai Spirits. This is Kamen Rider X8 Action Gamer Level 2. So before we crack open the box and see what's inside, let's just admire the box art. So we see here X8, I think after he turns into action level 2, raising his fist up in the air. And we see the X8 driver, the gamer driver here with the Mighty Action X Gashat slotted in. So off to the side, we see X8 front and back, some action poses that you can do with him. And he comes with his weapon, the Gashikon Breaker, which has two modes, a hammer mode and a sword mode. And to my opinion, this is the doctor that we need right now. So we also see some details about the show in the box, details about the kit, other stuff. So that's what's around the box. So let's crack it open. So first off, we are greeted with one bag with three runners, one all pink, all black, and lime green. Second bag, we have three runners again of the same colors and a very big sticker sheet. So all green, all black, all pink. And a third bag with the center stand, a multicolored runner. We have a clear, white, silver, and lime green, and a second sticker sheet. I wonder why they give you two sticker sheets. And of course, lastly, we have the instruction manual. So let's take a look at the runners one by one. So first off, we have here runner A, the multicolored runner, wherein we actually have white parts, silver parts, a clear part, and lime green part. So as seeing, the lime green is actually for the gamer driver. Some of the silver parts are parts of his body, head, feet. The clear parts here is one for the chest, one for the head. White parts here, I think this is for the Gashakon Breaker, for the head, and yeah, this is I think for his back of his body. So this is runner A. Okay. We also have runner B1, which is all pink. So I see some parts of the head here, some parts of the body, here, the waist, the thighs, shoulders. And from B1, we have a runner B2, which is actually a fourth or less than a part of B1. So this is runner B1. And here's runner B2. We then have a runner C1, which is all black, and a runner C2, which is again a quarter or a part of runner C1. So this is runner C1 and runner C2. We also have a runner D1, which is the lime green color, and a runner D2, which consists around half of D1. So D1 and D2. And let us not forget the standard stand. And as shown earlier, they do give you two stickers. One is actually a foil sticker, while the other is a dry transfer sticker. So both of them actually contains the same set of stickers, but one is just a dry transfer, which to me is actually a better option or choice. And of course, we do have the instruction manual. So we see here X-Aid, and yep, some action poses that you can do with him. So just a bit of trivia, do you know that X-Aid is a medical term? And like what I said, this is the doctor that we read right now. It's because of some new emerging COVID variant that could actually infect you through Zoom meetings. Now, if you know what I'm talking about, please do comment down below. So there you have it, Kamen Rider fans and folks. That was what's inside the box of the figurized standard Kamen Rider X-Aid Action Gamer Level 2. So if you are new to the channel, please do consider subscribing, leaving a like, viewing other videos, sharing the video. And this is Mixerwars telling until next time, see you!